So we get asked lots of times, when do I plant? How do I go about this? When do I plant millet? What do I do? That really varies with where you live. It varies a lot with latitude. Things that influence date of planting are soil temperature, but most importantly, how long it takes to produce a seed head. You can find that information online, but for most of the millets, it's going to be somewhere between about 65 and 90 days. So walk yourself back from the time it takes to produce a mature seed head. That is about the time to put that crop in the ground. And typically, it's going to range from as late as midsummer in the deep, deep south to probably, I don't know, maybe late May, early June in more northern areas. Typically in those wetland situations, all you really need to do is get that seed out there on an exposed mudflat. Fertilization is not typically required in most systems. Wetlands, by their very nature, are often pretty fertile systems anyway. So get out there, get the information, walk back from the seed maturity date, and you can figure out when to plant.